How to get TikTok back after deleting the app. If you have deleted the TikTok app from your phone but want to get it back, it is easy. So let's get started. First of all, open the App Store on your mobile device. If the TikTok is not available anymore on a reason, then we can follow this step to get back your TikTok very easily. Now, tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. Then navigate to your profile settings. Now here tap on the country/region option available there. Inside country/region, it might take some time for it to load. Wait for a few moments. Then you'll get to see change country or region. Tap on it. Now from the list of the countries or regions available on your screen, simply scroll down and tap on the country which has the TikTok facility. Simply you can tap on the Australia, US or any. I'm tapping on the Australia for now. Then tap on the agree button at the top right corner of your screen to agree the terms and conditions provided here. After that, you'll be navigated to the billing. Here if you don't have any payment, then you can tap on the none and just put down the any information or addresses available of the Australia. Then tap on the next button at the top right corner. Now, all you have to do is go back to the App Store and search for the TikTok app, and there you will get to see the TikTok available. Now, simply install it to your device. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.